Welcome! You're wondering how to give yourself a taper fade? You're right. You're in the right place. Just keep watching how I do my taper self cut and subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you haven't. Boost! Step number 1. Debug your hair using number 4 guard and create the first line with a trimmer. You can set that line wherever you want your fade to start. I like to keep it right by the ear. Step number 2. No guard lever all the way open and go up that initial guideline. Step number 3. Take out your number 1 guard, lever all the way open, go up once again. Imagine going around like arc shape. Step number 4, take out your number 2 guard, lever all the way open, and just imagining connecting the fade into the hair. Step number 5, no guard, lever all the way closed, and start blending the very bottom line, flicking out that line. Once you're done with that, open up that lever all the way and blend the second line using the corner of blade. Step number 6, back with number 2 guard, the lever all the way closed. Now try to blend that fade into the hair completely, and once again use corner of blade to not create a harsh guideline. That's it for the tutorial, guys. For the back will be the same thing you did with your side, so use 360 mirror or like hand mirror to see if both sides are even and complete. My question for y'all is, what kind of self haircut tutorial do you want to see next? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final result. I think it came out alright. This is a nice little easy self-cut tutorial, so let me know if you do at home, man. Like, I want to know how you did it, so just leave a comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Boost!